Hi, I'm Mama Fontana and welcome to my kitchen. Finally, we're back. I hope everybody's doing well. COVID-19 is a pain in the butt. Everybody knows it, but we're finally back and we're going to do something different today. So today we're going to do dog treats. I have two different kinds of dog treats that I'm going to make, and you guys have seen Juno in the last couple of videos. And so we thought we'd try something different and see if we could do something for dogs. Everybody has their little fur babies and they want to have something special for them, so that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to make two different kinds. There's some similarities and then there's a couple things that are different. So the first one I'm going to make has 2.5 cups of whole wheat flour, not your regular flour, whole wheat. I think it's a little easier on your doggy's tummy. It has a 1/2 cup of pumpkin. It has a couple tablespoons of peanut butter. It has a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a couple of eggs. So we're going to start doing that right now. So I'm going to do the eggs first just because I think if we have those beaten up a little bit, they will blend into everything a lot better. So we're going to do that, and we're just going to give them a little beat here. And then I'm going to add in most of my liquid ingredients first because I think it's easier. So here's the pumpkin. And you don't have to buy anything special pumpkin. In fact, I buy pumpkin in really big ones, so I went and got a little one and just a very inexpensive one because I didn't want to spend a lot of money on pumpkin and then have it go to waste. So here's some pumpkin. And then we're going to put in a little bit of peanut butter. Wow. We're going to go ahead and add a little bit of, there's a 1/2 teaspoon about of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We're going to get this mixed up. It's making mushy sounds. Mushy, mushy. All right. Now we're going to add 2.5 cups of wheat flour. So this is my first try at this, so hopefully this will turn out good. And hopefully Juno doesn't turn her nose up at it, but you never know. She likes a lot of things, but dogs have their own idea about things. I'm thinking the pumpkin and the peanut butter might just pique her interest a little bit. When all else fails, get your hands dirty. Okay, we're just about there. All right. So that's all there is to this first recipe. This one has a few more ingredients than the next one. The next one is literally 2 ingredients, just 2. So we're going to set this to the side because we're going to roll them out about the same time. So the next one, it says use 2 4-ounce containers of baby food. So you can choose a beef or a chicken or pea if you thought your dogs would like peas. Blah. But I choosed some sweet squash. You can tell I haven't done this in a while. So that's just squash, sweet potato actually, and that's your liquid. Now this one calls for just 2 cups of the whole wheat flour. So we're going to go ahead and put that in. That's the only ingredients, so hopefully they're good. So we're going to give this a little mixy. I'm probably going to have to get my hands in this one too. We'll see which one she likes better. Back into the fingers. It's kind of the one thing that's fun about cooking is getting your hands a little bit dirty. This is pretty dry. I might have to add a little bit of water or something in there because that's almost too dry, I'm afraid. I'm going to get a little bit of water. Just going to do a little bit sporadically and see how it works. Oh, I think that's all I needed was just that little bit. All right, we are getting there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna roll these out. And I got a really cute little doggy bone cutter. And then you cook them at 350. And they say they need to cook for like 40 minutes. So I think the point is because they need them a little bit hard. Dogs like to have something that they can crunch into a little bit more than, you know, something soft. So we're gonna show you how to get these rolled out. We're gonna get them on a pan. Then we're gonna cook them. And then we're gonna try them. And by we, I mean me too. I'm making it, I better try it. All right. Here's the first one. This is the one with just the 2 ingredients. Here's the one with the pumpkin and the peanut butter and the whole shebang. Let's start with this one here. Do a little bit of roll. I think I would like to have these a little bit thinner because I imagine that they'll puff up a little bit, and you don't really want them all that thick anyway. All right, kind of thinny. All right, let's get a pan out over here. All right. Oh, that's cute. Look at that. Okay, we're gonna put these on here. We're gonna get this one rolled out. We're gonna put them in the oven, 350. Bake them for 40 minutes until they're nice and crunchy and hard. We're gonna let them cool. Then we're gonna come back and have a little bit of fun. Give them to Juno, see if she likes them. And I guess I'll try them and see if I like them too. See you in a few. Hi guys, we're back. Here is the finished product. They turned out pretty cute. So these are the sweet potato ones, and these are the peanut butter and pumpkin and cinnamon ones. So we're gonna try these out, both Juno and I. Juno, you wanna try? And they are hard. Ugh. Okay, ready? Come over here and try that. See if you like it. Oh my heck. Okay, I'm gonna break a tooth. They don't really taste like anything, but they're hard. Did you like it? Well, I'm shocked you're eating it. Okay, well, I think she's gonna love this one because this one, oh, it's softer too. This one actually is the peanut butter and pumpkin one, and it smells really good. You wanna try this? Okay, it tastes like a dog treat. Oh, oh my goodness sakes. I'm glad she likes it because it's really not that good. Bah. I was thinking after we did these, this only had just the sweet potato and the flour in it. And even though she ate them, I think you could put a little honey in, or maybe like my daughter-in-law said, you could put a little bit of unsweetened applesauce or something. It would make it taste a little bit better. But first try, we had to try, and she doesn't mind them. And these are a little bit softer than the other ones. You want the rest of that? Of course she does. Well, guys, we tried it. I tried it. It was yucky. Make them for your dogs. Don't eat them yourself. So I just wanted to thank you guys for watching. Keep on watching. This is our first one back, and we're happy to be back. Thank you for watching. And as always, I share the love of cooking with my family. Now I share it with you. Thank you. See you next time.